Hi everyone. If you are in the crypto world, you will be familiar with many crypto sites. But in this crypto world, Rabbit Finance come with a different outlook. Rabbit Finance is a leveraged yield farming protocol based on Binance Smart Chain, released by Rabbit Finance Lab. It supports users participating in liquidity farming through overlending plus leverage to get more revenue. When the user has insufficient funds but wants to participate in decentralized finance liquidity farming, Rabbit Finance can provide up to 10x leverage to help users obtain the maximum revenue per unit time, and at the same time provide a borrowing pool for users who prefer stable returns to earn profits. It is their Twitter account you can follow to get the update news. Rabbit Finance has two types of token. One is IB token and another is Rabbit token. Let's talk about IB token. When a user supplies their assets to finance lending pools, IB token are used to keep track of the funds they have deposited as well as any interest earned. Each time a user supplies funds to the lending pool, they are issued a corresponding balance in IB tokens. This balance of the IB token is directly proportional to the stake they have in the lending pool, which accrues interest every block. Each lending pool has its own IB token. For example, if a user lends Binance Coin to the protocol, they will receive a corresponding balance of IB Binance Coin. When Finance was launched, the IB token exchange rate was 1. Since the launch of leveraged yield farming through, it has continued to increase at a rate equal to the compounding market interest rate. This represents the accrual of lending fees to lenders token. Now, let's talk about Rabbit token. Rabbit token is a governance token of the Rabbit Finance. It will also capture the economic benefits of the protocol. There will be a maximum of 200 million Rabbit token. There will soon launch a governance board that will allow community members to stake their Rabbit token. The Rabbit staker will receive X Rabbit, where 1x Rabbit equal to 1 vote, allowing them to decide on key governance decisions in the initial phase. Governance decision will be made on snapshot. Isn't it interesting? So people, why are you late? Join Rabbit Finance now. Rabbit Finance vision is to become federal reserves of the decentralized finance world, based on the principles of equal opportunity and commercial sustainability, and to provide appropriate and effective financial services at affordable cost for people of all social strata and groups who need financial services. Rabbit Finance is not a simple leveraged yield farming platform or algorithmic stablecoin system. It will be a decentralized and inclusive financial service infrastructure with the ability to continue hematopolis and based on blockchain technology. Compared to being the same role as the federal, what Rabbit Finance expects goes well beyond the federal's role in the world economy. Join Rabbit Finance and start to income.